That's the worst thing a man can feel. I do want to comment there as a man, right? I think what would be difficult to common men out there who struggle to find way to do those should be like their financial muscle. Of course, one can be there physically and all that, but that physicality, if I may put it like that, there comes a point in time where it needs financial backup a lot. Those cravings. I'm there, but now you're not craving me, and I'm not. I'm definitely out of your craving baskets, and now we have to buy this. Do you understand what I mean? So when someone go through that, they will think, "Ukuthi, eish, I have to be financially okay." That's why, and I don't know, but I think it has gotten beyond and above the thing of Ukuthi, you'd have money only to date. This money thing affect many layers in the relationship that people would end up not even wanting to go in depth of anything, like having a child and all that. Did you understand? Or maybe just avoiding a child. I love my space when I see Scotland. I love the work that I do, like you love yours. That's why like I see the light in your face when you talk about it, right? So in my space, I talk to men 99% of the time and 99% of 80% of my day. When you see a guy maybe leaving a child and not being supportive or just deciding to ditch a child and the mom, it's because it would be because sometimes it would be because of they know if they are there, they have to buy nappies. Right? Manela,
I can hear where you're going. No.
You will come back on that. You'll come back on that.
I can hear where you are going.
All right.
The referee. Okay, pause.
Umfana kasebenzi.
And then mina ngiyasebenza.
Okay, yima.
No, but am I working?
You're not working too,
Okay.
right? Listen, umfana kasebenzi akana skills. Do you understand?
Everything.
Let me tell you a situation that happened amongst like some people that I know, right? A person that I know. They were in the club, right? And it was a white nightstand, and they ended up having a baby. And this guy was in the club with cool guys, but he was not part of the cool guys. Like, he's not a cool guy. He was there because, okay, Naliti, let's go. Hi, Bamba, take my All-Star, wear my thing. And now when you get to the club, you look cool like us. And this lady bought into this guy, right? And now they end up having a kid.